Hi everybody, nice to see you. This is your first AI training with me. I am your instructor, young CEO. I am a Koblano. So I'm going to teach you about prompt engineering today. So firstly, we will start with what are language models. As you can see what are language models. I broke them down the words large language and models. I gave 4 points about it. So let's start CEOs. What are large language models? Large language models are powerful tools that can understand and generate text just like humans. These are also called AI tools. This simply means that large language models they are tools that you can use to generate text, make images, make videos because we know how AI goes now. So I broke them down into three. First, large. What does large mean? They learn from huge amounts of information. Second, language. This means that they understand different language, whether Yoruba, Igbo, French, Hausa, Ibibio, Nupe. They understand millions of languages. Also, they don't understand in the human sense. This means that they think like humans, but they are not like humans. Their brain is not that's like humans. The more context you give, the better the result. This means that the quality of the prompt you give determines the quality of the result you will get. The more clearly you ask, the more clearly it answers. Simply means that the more clearly the clearer your prompt is, the clearer the answer you will get. The more you know how it works, the more you can bend it to your will. This simply means that the more you know how to use AI, you know how to interact with it very well, you know how to prompt with it very well, the more you can make friends with it and make it be your assistant. Yes, so we can see type of LLMs. We have type 5 types of LLMs, which are large language models. Number one are general LLMs. They can do many things, e.g., ChatGPT or cloud. Number two, we have topic specific LLMs. They are for specific areas like medicine, finance, law, any type of specific areas you want to learn. It will assist you in this. And we have examples like TubMed GPT, FinGPT. The third one on our list here is multilingual LLMs. Say it with me, multilingual LLMs. They can speak many languages like English, Yoruba, Ibibio, Nupe, Hausa, French, Yoruba, any type of language. They can speak millions, if not billions of languages. And we have examples like Bloom, XLMR, and but we have thousands. And the fourth on our list, coding LLMs. They can help write computer code. They can help do coding for you on your laptops, phones. And I gave you four here, which are Codex, Code Llama, and Star Coder. And the last but not the least, open source LLMs. These are free versions of AI you can use on your laptops, phones. They are not paid versions. You can use them to do images, create text, anyone you want to do. And we have examples like Llama Tree, Mistral, Falcon, Fit Tree. I'm going to show you how all these types of LLMs look like in our real class. This is just a video for you to prepare for the class I'm going to give you. Okay. Yes, so we can see types of AI tools here. There are many types of AI tools that can answer questions, create images, turn text to video, turn speech to there are examples like TurboScribe, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok. There are many, and there are examples here I gave. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity AI, Grok is also there. Okay, so you can see what is a prompt. So let me show you what is a prompt. A prompt is an instruction you give to the chatbot. A prompt is an instruction you give to the chatbot. So what does this mean? A prompt is just like a text you type to the chatbot and you get your answer. Just like I have said, the quality of the prompt you give the chatbot determines the quality of the answer you will get. If your prompt is weak, you will get a weak answer. But if your prompt is strong, right, and accurate, you will get a very strong answer. The AI will have to rack its brains in order to that I must give this person an high quality answer. So I gave one example. Yeah. So an example of a weak prompt is just you just say write something about leadership. You did not put the scene. You did not put the scene. You did not put the style and mood. Neither did you put the do you guide the action. So we need those three things in the mental model as I have taught you. So, but a strong and right prompt is like this. Write a 300-word story about a teenager. We can see that is the scene. We like the team to win the science fair, even though no one believed in that. Make it emotional, uplifting. That is the style and mood. And ideal for a high school audience. So we can see the scene, the mood, and the action here. Okay? So we can see what makes a prompt powerful. So we can see the three attributes here. So firstly, what is a powerful prompt? A powerful prompt is a clear, specific, and engaging prompt. It guides the AI effectively, allowing it to give you good responses. When kids join their rack their brains together in order to give the AI a powerful prompt, they can allow the AI give them an high quality answer. So we have three attributes here. We have clarity. Your prompt must be clear. Number two, constant context. You must context, and the last but not the least, constraints. So these three attributes come together to form a powerful prompt. Yes, so we are moving to the end of this video. Yes, so can see strong versus weak prompts. We can see understanding weak and strong prompts is essential for effective communication. So if you give the AI weak prompts, you get a weak answer. If you give the AI strong prompts, you get a strong answer. So we can see here that I've given you two, three differences. So the first difference, weak prompt, vague question lead to unclear answer. This means that the if you give it if you give it questions that it does not even understand, it will lead to answers that you don't understand. But for the strong prompt, if you give it clear instructions, you will get better results. The second one, lack of detail causes misunderstandings. Lack of detail, this means that if you don't give it the real detail it needs, you will just be exchanging words with each other like give me this thing, and you might press the wrong button like deep thing. I've also tried that too, not for my dad that came to see what I was doing. So specific details guide the AI better. This means that the if you give it good details that it needs, it will guide the AI better to become your body. Just like now, ChatGPT has become friendly with me now. It can help me generate images. It has helped me connect with Dale and different types of AI. And last but not the least difference, unfocused requests waste time and effort for the weak prompt. This means that if you are writing your prompt and you are doing another thing, how are you supposed to know what you are doing? You just be wasting your time. You just be wasting your time. You'll be exchanging words with the AI. Both of you will not even know what you are doing. But for the strong prompt, one structured prompt save time and energy. If you focus on your prompt, you focus, you are not doing any other thing. You first start with your prompt. You type well, you give it clear words and clear prompts, and you use either the Hollywood director, 108010 and the Mark model. So you will get good answers. So I have an exercise for you here. Yes, this is it. We are moving to the end of our video here. So this is the exercise here. I said prompt ChatGPT. I said prompt. So I want you to use the Hollywood director here. Prompt ChatGPT because this is a Hollywood director prompt. Write a 300-word story about a teenager. So as I'm telling you now, go to ChatGPT. I've told you how to open ChatGPT. If you have forgotten, just type chat gpt.com and it will show ChatGPT screen. Yes, so you will see a place where it will show you that's what you want. So just copy this. So just type out this prompt I've given you. Type enter and let's see what it will give you. So make sure critique it. Use the Mark model and the Hollywood director. Critique it. Any answer AI gives you, I will know because I might try it here also. So any answer AI gives you, please make sure you critique it in order not to get vague answers. Thank you. Okay. So I have assignment for you here. Remember, this video is not the what we're having. It's just to help you build up what the real class we are going to having. So you can see the questions here. Please, I want you to go through this question. And if you want to use ChatGPT, critique it. I've been saying this. Please critique it. Either use the Hollywood director or use the Mark model. I've taught you about language models. I've taught you about the types, and I've given you three examples each, if not four examples each. So, I, so so write this out for me. And I've given you four types of AI tools. I gave you almost seven. So write six out of the types. I've taught you about what is a prompt. I've taught you about the attribute that make a prompt powerful, and I've given you three differences between a strong and weak prompt. So thank you for your time, and I hope you will do well in the next class. Bye. Thank you.